16.6% of Ector County's population lives in poverty. That's compared to an average of 14% for the state of Texas and 11% for the U.S. population. I got a chance to speak with local health experts about the direct correlation between someone's economic status and health.
So poverty falls under social determinant of health, and there is poverty, there's the access to actual health care, there's the access to education, but also quality of education, quality of health care. There's the access to nutritious foods, and there's the opportunity for professional growth. Those all kind of together impact your health, along with, of course, poverty.
Finances play a direct role in what people are consuming day to day, which can later go on to have a big impact on your health.
Those that live in poverty usually do not have access to healthy foods. Those in poverty are usually living in what we call food deserts. So they don't have the access to those nutritional items, your fruits, your vegetables. They live in places that have a lot of like fast food or convenience stores where they get the quick items that have no nutritional or minimal nutritional value. So this leads to issues with obesity, cardiovascular disease, as well as diabetes.
Food deserts are not a new concept either. One local tells us one's diet can lead to major health complications.
I got diabetes and high blood pressure, and in fact, 2 weeks ago, I was working at Goodwill, and God told me to go to the hospital. I went in, my blood sugar was 780, and my heart rate was 193/60, so I was on the verge of stroking out or having a heart attack. Didn't know it, but I spent 3 days in there, and they got me the right medication, so I'm doing better now.
Breaking Bread Ministries is a nonprofit that serves the homeless and the impoverished population in Midland. Leaders with the organization say they try their best to make the highest quality items for those who come through their doors.
Very well balanced, and I would consider it restaurant quality. We make it a point to feed them good, nutritious, warm, hot meals, and not just pizza and hot dogs and that sort of thing. We throw the fresh produce at them, and just really good meals. So.
Their ability to navigate life also.
When you are nutrition deprived, it takes a toll on you mentally. Also, if you're hungry, that is you are experiencing trauma. Every time you go, wonder where your next meal is going to come with, and just dealing with hunger in general causes trauma or uncertainty.
Health and poverty are social determinants that impact West Texans on a daily basis. Now, with the help of local nonprofits and government assistance, that poverty health line can decrease at a steady rate. Reporting in Odessa, Rick Dorsey, ABC Big 2 News.